First of all, go to your Roblox player and open any experience to play. So let's open this experience. Now to remove cursor while you are playing Roblox, click this Roblox icon, select settings. In here you have to scroll down. Under view and controls, here you'll find camera mode. So you have to select here camera toggle. Once you selected camera mode, camera toggle, resume playing the game. And now all you have to need to hide your cursor, you just right click and we can see the cursor successfully gone. And now you can easily play the Roblox game and your cursor will not be visible just like this. And to again make the cursor visible, just right click and your cursor will be visible or unhide. That's it. Thanks for watching.